Let's go over how to properly guard and teach a wheelie on a folding frame manual wheelchair. As you can see here, we have a therapist behind the client using wheelie straps for safety. If you don't have wheelie straps, you can use a gait belt. Underneath the chair on the cross brace, you're going to secure the wheelie strap or gait belt. Make sure the strap is secured around the center of the cross brace and pull tight. Put your hand through the loop and stand up using proper body mechanics to guard behind the client. As they push up into a wheelie, the strap is used to keep the client from losing their balance backward. You can pull up on the strap to give them a little push forward, or release your tension on the strap to allow them to find their balance. While one hand is in the strap, the other hand can be used to guard the client from the front, to help them from losing their balance forward. You want to be there to prevent any falls, but allow them to make small incremental adjustments to find their center of gravity and their balance. When we look at hand placement, he's going to start with his hand behind his shoulder on the rim, rolling backward and then quickly pushing forward with the hand rim. When he reaches the wheelie position, he can move his hand forward and backward on the hand rim to maintain his balance in a wheelie. Continue practicing because it takes time to learn your new center of gravity and balance in a wheelie position. Once you have this skill mastered, you'll be able to better maneuver throughout all of your environments.